Are you looking for the best inverter welding machine? In this video we will look at some of the best inverter welding machine on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. ANDELI TIG 250G Pro Welding Machine. The ANDELI TIG 250G Pro Welding Machine is a versatile and powerful tool designed for welding enthusiasts and professionals alike. With its 110/220V capability, this machine offers flexibility in power supply, making it suitable for various work environments. The 5-in-1 feature highlights its multi-functionality, encompassing hot, cold, MMA, clean, and TIG pulse welding options. The IGBT inverter technology incorporated in this welding machine ensures efficient and stable performance, providing a reliable welding experience. The TIG 250G Pro is specifically designed for TIG welding, a process known for its precision and clean results. The addition of pulse TIG capability further enhances control and weld quality. Whether you're working on thin or thick materials, this welding machine is equipped to handle a range of tasks. The inclusion of both hot and cold welding modes expands its application scope, catering to different welding requirements. The MMA functionality adds versatility, allowing for manual metal arc welding. Number 2. ANDELI MIG 250 Welding Machine. The ANDELI MIG 250 welding machine is a versatile and advanced welding equipment designed to cater to various welding needs. As a 3-in-1 inverter machine, it is capable of MIG welding, MMA, manual metal arc welding, and lift TIG welding, providing flexibility for different welding applications. The integration of these three welding processes makes it suitable for a wide range of projects, offering users the ability to handle various materials and welding techniques. One of the notable features of the ANDELI MIG 250 is its semi-automatic welding capability, making it easier for users to achieve precise and efficient welds. The inclusion of flux cord wire further enhances its adaptability, allowing for better performance in different welding scenarios. The MIG welding function utilizes a metal inert gas process, ensuring clean and stable welds. MMA welding, also known as stick welding, provides a robust and reliable option for welding in challenging conditions. Additionally, the lift TIG welding feature is ideal for applications that require precision and control. Number 3. HITBOX HBM 200 Welding Machine. The HITBOX HBM 200 welding machine is a versatile 3-in-1 inverter welding device designed for MIG, MMA, manual metal arc, and TIG welding processes. This welding machine stands out for its ability to perform MIG welding without the need for gas, making it suitable for various welding applications. The inclusion of Synergy technology enhances the overall welding experience by providing a synchronized and optimized welding process. The MIG capability of the HITBOX HBM 200 allows for semi-automatic welding, offering efficiency and ease of use. Users can benefit from flux cord wire metal welding, which adds flexibility to the welding options available. This feature is especially valuable in situations where the use of shielding gas is impractical or not preferred. The MMA function enables manual metal arc welding, providing versatility for different welding scenarios. Additionally, the TIG welding capability broadens the range of materials that can be effectively welded. Number 4. HZXVOGEN HVM 200 Welding Machine. It seems like you're interested in welding machines, and the HZXVOGEN HVM 200 is no exception. This welding machine, with its 2-in-1 functionality for MMA and MIG welding, offers versatility for different welding applications. The inverter technology it employs is known for its efficiency and power optimization. The HVM 200's semi-automatic nature, coupled with its ability to work without gas, makes it suitable for various welding scenarios, especially for gasless ion soldering. The inclusion of Synergy tool suggests that it might have features that enhance the welding process by automatically adjusting parameters for optimal performance. Whether you're engaging in metal welding or other welding tasks, the HZXVOGEN HVM 200 appears to be designed to handle them with its multifunctionality. It seems like a tool that combines convenience and capability, catering to the needs of both beginners and experienced welders. Number 5. DKA 200 Welding Machine. The DKA 200 Welding Machine, part of the DKA series, is a versatile and efficient welding solution designed for home use and ideal for beginners. With a power range of 120/160/200/250 amps and operating on a 220V power supply, this DC inverter arc welder employs IGBT technology for enhanced performance. The lightweight design of the DKA 200 makes it easily portable, providing flexibility in various welding applications. Whether you're a novice welder or an experienced DIY enthusiast, the DKA 200 offers a user-friendly experience without compromising on efficiency. The MMA manual metal arc welding capability ensures that you can work with a variety of electrodes, making it suitable for different welding tasks. The DKA 200 is designed to be efficient, allowing for precise and controlled welding output.